What's up, guys? We are currently at the Homewood Suites in Rockland, right outside Boston, Massachusetts. Like he wanted to say New York, but we're not in New York anymore. I don't think we're in New York anymore, Toto. But this place is actually pretty cool. I mean, if you guys look up, you can see like the perimeter edge there. These are all our rooms. Actually, hold on. the one, if you guys look up, all right, so this room right there with the light on, that's actually ours. The building has a cool aesthetic from the outside. I certainly enjoyed staying here. I gotta say, thought this was a very well taken care of location. I like the design and layout of the building. I'm gonna obviously shoot up inside. I'm not gonna shoot up like but I'm gonna shoot inside, and I'm gonna head inside and then we're gonna go see the rest of it, and then we're gonna head the hell out. Jeez, I just woke up, guys. Sean's actually still sleeping up there. We're gonna head off to Grappling Industries in a moment, and but yeah, so that's why I'm tripping. All right, so I was originally gonna do this last night, but I decided to wait till the morning just because I figure most people will probably be sleeping, and I don't want to be disturbing anyone with the filming and shit. You got the Regency rooms here like the last place. Poker heads in. And this is kind of what that looks like. So they got the bar to the right. And then they had like some kind of food thing over to the left. And bars on the second floor. They have a cool little balcony looking down. Computers if you forgot yours. Active coffee unit, concessions. This is what I meant by the cool balcony. So if you pan up, you're actually able to see the different layers and everything. ATM in-house. I don't know what's back there. I think it's just parking lots. We'll swing on up to the second. Walk by the bar. Well, like I said, it's not a bad hotel. I like it. I'm a little sleepy, so if I'm a little quiet, I apologize, guys. Excuse me. Again, you got a good view looking down. Just pan down with the VR. Again, they have the bar and restaurant over here. It's actually not a bad sized bar over here. Full dining set. Okay, I was wondering what the shape popping out of the side there was. I guess that's it. And that just looks like rooms down there, so I'm not going to bother anyone. Let's see. A fitness room on this floor. Executive boardroom. Head on back up to our room and then see if we can't find a fitness room somewhere. Last time we stayed at a Hilton Homewood Suites, they actually had like full suites with like a living room, kitchen, you know, the whole 9 yards. So I'm assuming those are actually on the upper floors. Again, trying to pan down, just look down, and there's the lobby. It's really cool, actually. I like the view. Did not realize that this was just a roof right here, though. Ice machines. Yeah, overall, it wasn't a bad place to stay. I felt like it was very clean. And just decent environment. hallway actually zigzags a little bit here. Closet for storage. You got your ironing board, all that basic shit in there. Fully stacked bathroom. Everything was fully cleaned in here. I recently used. The only complaint is this thing doesn't actually stay up. You have to pop that motherfucker out. Otherwise the tub floods. Full vanity, which is always awesome, especially. Oh, that doesn't even light up. Oh, I found something. Backlight here, which is always cool. Full fridge. Sean took over that, but okay, so this one doesn't have like the Marriott in Waterbury, where you have to actually turn it on every 2 hours. A few nicks, 3 drawers, not much else storage, and they only had the lamp with the 2 outlets on it. The rest of them are all normal. Yeah, so not bad room, $200 a night. If you're coming out to Boston, definitely worth it. You could probably take an hour north and you'll be right there. This is the little entranceway here, into our left. It's not, like I said, this isn't a bad location. The parking lot's a little, across the street's a little sketch master, but I mean, it is what it is. Like, honestly, I enjoyed my stay here. Overall, I'd probably give it a 4 out of 5. Just because, like, I've stayed at better. That's the only reason I wouldn't give it. Excuse me there. The only reason I wouldn't give it a 5-star rating is just being realistic about how much better it could be. But overall, like, $200 full. You got a bar here, you have clean rooms, clean facilities. Everything was fully stocked. Everyone was super polite. I can't have nothing bad to say about any of the staff. Yeah, I don't think I have anything bad to say about any of the rooms, honestly. So yeah, super cool place. Definitely recommend if you're coming here for Boston Grappling Industries, any kind of event. Definitely check out the Homewood Suites over here in Rockland, guys. All right, I'm about to head off to the event. Sean's gonna meet up with me in a little bit. So, hey guys, stay blessed.